not. Oh.
There was
Okay.
nothing wrong with that when I first shot it.
Oh. Laura, show me your muscles, baby. Yeah.
Good stance.
Remember that stance we talked about.
Okay.
Because it's a little spooky, but not bad. Remember, no fingers on the trigger. Okay. For you, you're gonna want to probably grab it like right in here. Looks like you're holding a handgun right in here. So you're gonna like you're holding a pistol, and you're gonna let it kick back like that. You're just gonna hold it. And all the gun's gonna do when you pull it, it's gonna go. Don't let go. Just all right.
Hit a girl.
Put your left foot in front. Get a better base.
Okay. Take your bead on. Try to gauge where it's gonna be. Maybe aim for the Coke bottle. It's about the easiest thing to hit, and you'll be able to see more. Okay. Let's see. Like there.
Laura.
Laura, get
Left
your
foot.
feet. Get your feet set the other way.
No,
No.
put your left foot in front of you.
What? Like this. No, the other way.
The other way.
The other way. Yeah, that a girl.
Forward a little bit. Oh, bring it down. See the Coke bottle? Kind of figuring that this is the angle. You want to get that Coke bottle. Boom!
Yeah!
Pull back.
Laura. Ah.
It's fun.
See?
Do it.
You can do it.
You should do it too. It's fun.
Yeah. I think I heard you say about 20 minutes ago, I can't do this. Ah, right.
It's like Call of Duty, only real life.
Did she just say Call of Duty real life?
Let's try again.
Yes.
All right. A little less scary the second time. Okay, same deal. There's a cartridge in it. See how high you were, right? You get that sucker right on. Well, like I say, you can try it in here. Okay, let go. You can try putting it in here. It's not that bad. You're just going to keep it snug on here. Okay? It's going to have a little more kick than your rifle. It's going to be, you know. But you can look right down the barrel with a little bead and hit anything you want to hit. It's real easy. Try it both ways. See what you think. Huh? You have to put this way up here. Let's see though.
Get your stance.
On the bottle.
Good base. Bend your knees.
Good base. Bend your knees.
Be
There you
strong
go.
Try that.
Woo! Baby! Ha!
Easy, huh?
Try it.